Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. And so, bali, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Ay, wait lang guys, medyo nagagalaw yung aking camera. Anyway, kung gusto mo magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook, okay? And please do like me on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. At saka dyan ako magla-live kasi. Tsaka dun sa Madam P Vlogs na channel dito sa YouTube. Okay, let's start your reading. For Virgo, Sun, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. You do have here the Two of Swords, Two of Wands, and wait lang guys, nalaglag. Okay, the Two of Swords, Two of Wands, and Ten of Wands. Okay. You do have here the Nine of Swords and the Ten of Cups. In at the bottom of the deck, Seven of Pentacles is also here. I feel like for some of you, may decision na maaring ginawa in the past na pwedeng nagdulot siya ng big changes sa buhay mo. Maybe something ended dahil dito sa decision na to. And I feel like with the Two of Wands, I don't know, it feels like na natuwa ka sa isang bagay or sa isang tao na nagdulot sa'yo ng magdesisyon ka ng ganito. For some of you, pwedeng naligaw ka ng direksyon sa buhay mo. And you do have here the Nine of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo, there's a lot of problem happening now. A lot of stress, a lot of drama with regards to family, the Ten of Cups. Nakakita tayo dito ng malaking problema na pwedeng may kinalaman sa pera with the Seven of Pentacles. I don't know, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng medyo napalayo ka dito, oh. This is what you want. This is what you wish for. And the Three of Swords could be, this is the person na nagdudulot ng lungkot at sakit sa'yo. Maybe the person of your dreams, the one that you really want. No? The star and the moon is here. So, might be, iba, this could be a soulmate connection. But with the Eight of Swords, maybe dahil dito sa decision mo na ito, nakita natin na parang pwedeng na-stuck ka sa connection wherein nalalo ka na palayo dito sa taong gusto mo talaga. Like yung taong minamanifest mo. This could be your soulmate. And I'm feeling like for now, may mga bagay kang kailangan harapin na parang you're not yet ready. I feel like you're not yet ready. Pero you have no choice. You're not ready yet. Okay? So, I feel like ito ay may kinalaman talaga sa love. And Ano yung mga challenges for you, Virgo, ngayon? Take only what resonates. Pag di ka nakaka-resonate, maybe this is not your reading. Okay, challenges for you is the Ten of Cups. This is family. Three of Swords is here. This is, maybe there's a third party situation or there's a third person na kakonect ka pa. But there's this family na nagiging challenge para sa'yo, para makuha itong Three of Swords. This is the person that you want. Okay? And may mga challenges talaga ngayon na nagdudulot para hindi mo makuha itong person nito. Because maybe there's a family na nagiging involved sa connection ninyo. And tell me about this. I want to know kung ano meron dito sa Ten of Cups. Why is this the challenge for Virgo, please? Bakit ito yung nagiging challenges for you, Virgo, for now? You do have your passion. The Runner. Hand of Cards. For some of you, ang challenge for you is like, you do love this Ten of Cups energy, so maybe this is family. You love this. Diba? There's a lot of love, a lot of passion nararamdaman mo towards this. Pero parang gusto mong lumayo or umalis because you want to take this risk, take this chance, no? Dito sa situation wherein parang paulit-ulit na nangyayari sa'yo. You might feel like wala nang chance regarding this engagement ring. This could be a union. This could be a person that you really like. Nakikita natin na parang na-feel mo na wala na kayong chance na ng taong to. This could be a twin flame. No, this could be a twin flame connection. And currently, pwedeng may mga nakakapagpabago ng sitwasyon nyo ngayon because there's a lot of transformation wherein involve itong karmic relationship. No? And for some of you, this is a twin flame reading. So, nakikita nga natin yung mga malaking pagbabago na nangyari para mas lalong magkaroon ng distance sa inyo ng person na ito. Kuha tayo ng konting messages pagdating sa money. Tapos babalik tayo dito sa reading regarding your twin flame or your love. Your person. Definitely this is the person that you love. Alamin natin ano yung messages for Virgos pagdating sa money. Messages for Virgos pagdating sa money. Spirit guides, angel guides for Virgo pagdating sa money. Messages for Virgos pagdating sa money. Okay, thank you. The High Priestess is here. Two of Cups. The Moon. I-move ko lang itong aking isang crystal. Ayan, kasi para magkasya yung cards. Anyway, with the Moon, the High Priestess, you could be a person na medyo malaki talaga yung iyong, malakas yung iyong intuition. You could also be a tarot trader. Or you could also be someone na may mga knowledge or alam or pwedeng nasa lahi ninyo. I don't know. But there's this spiritual knowledge na talagang pwedeng magamit or nagagamit mo ngayon with regards to money, pwedeng pinagkakitaan. Okay? Yeah, yung iba pwedeng may mga pampaswerte. But anyway, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate dito, okay lang. Kasi yung money is parang konti lang talaga makaka-relate sa inyo eh. Two of Cups is here. I can see some kind of partnership. If you are this person, there's this partnership. There's this energy na parang may nagpakita na sa'yo sa panaginip mo regarding some kind of partnership with someone. With the moon, this is your dreams. And tell me about this. There's this offer of a brand new beginning with you and this person na pwedeng nakikita natin na pwedeng mag-offer ng partnership or whatever sa'yo. Then the Seven of Pentacles is here. You're going to build something with this person. Okay, in the near future. And tell me about this. Two of Swords, yeah, you have to make a decision. May decision na kailangan kang gawin na magbibigay ng success for the both of you. But the Five of Cups is sad. You know, this Five of Cups is not happy sa, kailangan niya mag-celebrate eh. Dapat siyang mag-celebrate. Pero hindi niya magawang mag-celebrate. I feel like ito yung person na naaapektuhan sa partnership na ito. This person with the Hanged Man, wala siyang magawa. But with the Six of Pentacles, nakikita natin na parang mapipilitan siyang ayusin or makipag-ayos regarding dito. Yeah. Anyway, more messages on money for Virgo. I feel like this is a personal reading for some of you. Parang konting-konti lang talaga makaka-relate dito. The Magician and the Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, you will be working on your magic. 'Di ba? Yung mga powers mo, yung kagalingan mo, yung alam mo sa usaping spiritual. I feel like for some of you, yung iba may kinalaman sa pagluluto. For some of you, no? Meron dito may nakikita ko nagluluto na parang hindi mo pa natitikman, alam mo na yung lasa. And then, or might be, hindi mo ugaling tumikim pag nagluluto ka. This could be your reading. For some of you, mas i-work out mo yung mga bagay na gusto mo talaga. So, for some of you, nakikitaan natin ito ng direction. May pinapatunguhan kung ano man yung ginagawa mo. Because this is what you love. This is what you want. Okay? And the Page of Pentacles, I can see you building your own tower. Ayan, there's a tower at the back. So, nakikita natin na may mga plano ka and nakikita natin na talagang lalagyan mo ng action itong mga bagay na ito. You deserve to be the Queen of Wands. Deserve mong mailagay sa magandang katayuan. And you are the one na maggagawa ng actions para mangyari or magawa iyon. Okay? With regards to career, maganda yung sinasabi. What will be the outcome of this? The outcome will be the Empress, of course. Nakikita natin yung respeto. And can you see a pregnant woman here? So that's like magandang simula for you. Kasi ito naman talaga yung gusto mo. Ito talaga yung kalakasan mo. Ito yung kagalingan mo. So kung man yung ginagawa mo ngayon, na alam mo sa sarili mo na this is what you want. This is what you are. Ito yung path mo eh. ito yung direction mo talaga sa buhay mo. Ramdam mo yun kasi dito ka talaga dinala. Ito talaga yung ibinigay for you. Nakikita natin na magbubunga yun. Okay? Hindi mo kasi kailangan makipagsabayan sa iba. Kung ano sila. Maybe your friends or kakilala mo in the past. Like, ito yung mga naging buhay nila. Hindi mo kailangan maging katulad nila. Kasi you are born different. And nakikita natin that luck is in your side. Nasa tabi mo yung swerte. So, ituloy mo lang. As long na gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, ikaw talaga yan. Temperance is here. This is Sagittarius energy with regards to health. Nakita tayo ng health dito. Health-related matter. Kailangan mo ng patience. Okay, a lot of patience. But I can see that you can handle it well. You can handle it well. Okay? At saka sa choice mo ng food, if you're dieting, it's working out kasi mas nakikita natin na mas binavalue mo yung sarili mo, yung katawan mo ngayon. And that nakikita natin yung support then sa mga tao sa paligid mo, sa kung ano man yung ginagawa mo. So nakikita natin that some of you would lose a lot of pounds in the near future. Nakikita natin yan. Nine of Pentacles. Okay, that is success for you. May nakikita akong mga tao dito sa paligid mo na parang pinagsisisihan nila yung decision nila regarding sa mga choices nila sa buhay nila. Maybe food or what. Kasi pwedeng may mga health problems na nararanasan sila ngayon. This could be a reading. So pwedeng yung mga choices niya, pinili niya kumain na ganito, alam niyang bawal sa kanya. Like maybe may allergy or maybe nagkakos ng malaking problema sa katawan niya. Then ngayon na malaki yung pagsisisi nitong taong ito. Now anyway, let's move on to your future with regards sa yung love. For Virgo's place, future pagdating sa love. Because actually, this is not love reading, pero love reading ay lumabas. So, anyway, what is the future for Virgos pagdating sa love? Spirit guides, angel guides, please tell me. The world is here. Three of Swords. Nine of Cups. And the Ten of Swords is here. And you do have here the Emperor at the bottom of the deck. The Hermit is here. This is Virgo energy. I'm seeing you in the near future letting go of something because you are the world. Parang naramdaman mo na parang you need to let go of this person. Might be a third person, or if this is like a soulmate connection, a twin flame connection, nakikita natin na parang ito yung period ng connection niya na parang there's a lot of pain na napaparamdam ng taong ito sa'yo, and like you want this to stop. You like to stop the pain. And so ikaw na ito na naglalet go and moving on with your life with the Nine of Cups, focusing on mas importanteng bagay sa buhay mo and na pwedeng magbigay ng success sa'yo in the near future. The Ten of Swords is here. This is you holding on, pero mas nakikita natin yung pagla-let go. Alam mo yun, still holding on, but mas mas nag-end or mas pinipili mo yung ending, yung pagla-let go regarding dito sa bagay na to. You realize that you don't need anyone or anyone in your life with the Emperor and the Hermit. Ito yung confirmation na parang, and I feel like you will be this person na maraming itatapon na memories with the Hermit. Like, can you see this? There's a lot of fire here. It's like cleansing your energy. Cleansing your energy, tinatanggal mo yung mga hindi magbibigay ng balance sa buhay mo. And this is you as the Emperor. And how about the person na nakakonect mo dito, which is the one that you're letting go in the near future? Queen of Swords is here. Page of Swords. Tell me about this. Six of Swords. Knight of Swords. Ace of Swords. And Tower. Yeah, I feel like there's complete ending na mangyayari sa inyo ng person na to. This person will be moving on sa ibang direction ng buhay niyo. And I can see a new beginning sa person na ito. And this person will be cutting you off, moving on with his or her life. And nakikita natin na actually, you don't need this person eh. Hindi mo siya kailangan. So, hindi mo siya dapat hintayin. Tell me more. Yeah, King of Pentacles in near future for you. Two of Cups. What's with the Two of Cups? Yeah, the Tower. This is an Empress is at the bottom of the deck. This is also you. Na nakikita natin na you have learned how to love yourself. And pwedeng itong dahilan kung bakit dumating sa buhay mo itong taong to is for you to learn how to love yourself. Okay? And yung connection mo with this person is ending, and it will be a total ending for the both of you. With the King of Pentacles, you will be earning a lot of money in the near future, success for you. Kasi wala na itong tao na ito na parang siya yung naging dahilan kung bakit hindi mo maayos yung work mo, yung career mo, dahil laging stuck ka dito sa person na ito. Okay? And with regards to twin flame connection, in the near future, there would be big change sa connection ninyo. The Strength card is here. Tell me about this. Page of Swords. And the Magician. For twin flame in the near futures, please. In the near future for twin flames. In the near future, I can see you being happy. There's this union with the Ascending, pero it will be something new for the both of you. Nakikita natin na mas makasasanay na kayo or ma-adapt nyo na yung mga changes sa buhay ninyo. The Golden Mirror is here. Like, you will be more focused sa mga kanya-kanyang sarili ninyo in the near future. I can see someone here reaching out with the Magician. And I can see a lot of happiness in the near future. Regarding a twin flame connection, there's union. There's union definitely sa inyong dalawa. Pero this time around, yung union is mangyayari na mas mahal nyo na yung sarili nyo kesa sa connection ninyo. You get my point. And tell me about this pagre-reach out. Yeah, the karmic relationship is here. I'm feeling like pagdating sa a twin flame connection, this person would reach out because of might be a problem, or this is like a karmic relationship. So the one na nasa isang karmic relationship sa inyong dalawa, nakita natin na magkakaroon ng dahilan na mag-reach out siya sa'yo because of some kind of separation or clarity. Like pwedeng may malaman siya or matutunan siya na parang maging dahilan para gusto niyang kumawala doon sa relationship na yun. But yeah, this person would like to stop this. I mean, kailangan kasi ma-realize, if you're dealing with a twin flame who is in a relationship, kailangan niya kasing ma-realize na yung person na kakonect niya is not the one for him or for her. Tapos, tsaka niya ma-realize na you're the one for me. Parang ganun. And then, pag nakuha niya na tong realization na to, I feel like this person will come back. No? Will come back. Tapos medyo mas iba na siya pag bumalik siya sa buhay mo. Hindi na siya katulad nung noon. I'm talking about twin flame connection, ha? Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Sana nakarelate kayo, nakaresonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam P TV, Virgo Philippines, Tapit Hapon TV, Water Sign Philippines, Madam P Vlogs, Libra Philippines. I love you all and